Okay, why should any woman who wants to get into cyber apply for this scholarship?
It's easiest way to get the knowledge from the smart people, because these people who are making these lessons, being with you during these nights, aren't just lectors, but they are hands-on experts already.
And I'm like, oh, I don't know. Should I apply for it? I want you to tell me to apply for it. Like, convince me.
First, I will start with the joke. If you are very bored, then this is the place where you can spend your nights. This is joke. But to be now serious, it's a perfect place where you get the knowledge in a very easy way, and very smart people are helping you and be for you. You can ask, you can do some hands-on activities, and you can get some extra knowledge.